Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. So, dear children, as I taught you this chapter 9, Pets Day, in my previous video, so today we are going to complete the exercise of this chapter. Kindly take out your English copy and start writing. Answer these questions. Question 1. What is the special day in class 1? Answer. The special day in class 1 is Pets Day. Now next question 2. Where does the goldfish live? Answer. The goldfish live in the fish tank. Question 3. What does Pilu do when he is afraid? Answer. Pilu puts his head into his shell when he is afraid. Okay? Now next question 4. What does Sheena's frog do when she takes it out from her pocket? Answer. The frog jumps out from Sheena's hand. Question 5. Where does Sheena find her frog? Answer. Sheena finds her frog in her bag. Okay, dear children? Kindly note down these in your copy and learn it. So, dear children, kindly open page number 68. Understanding the story. Understanding the story. A. Match the words in A with the correct words in B. Dear children, as you can see, there is one column A and other one is B. So match it A with the correct words B. Words in B. Okay. So number 1, Tina has a goldfish. So here in front of a goldfish, you have to write number 1. No need to make line. Okay. Tina has a goldfish. Number 2. The goldfish has gills and fins. So in front of gills and fins, write number 2. Next, number 3. Pilu is a turtle. So here you write number 3. Pilu is a turtle. Number 4. Sheena has a frog. So in front of a frog you write 4. Number 4. Okay. Next, number 5. The frog has strong legs. So here you write in front of strong legs you write number 5. Okay. Now next, open page number 69. Page number 69. Enjoying the story. Enjoying the story. Now dear children, do you think Sheena was happy when she found her frog? Yes. So here you write yes. Sheena was happy when she found her frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Sorry, here you have to put full stop. Here you have put full stop. Okay. Number 2. How do the students in Sheena's class feel when the frog jumps around the class? Tick right the correct pictures. You may choose more than one picture. Okay, dear children, as you can see here, many faces are here. Happy, bored, scared, sad, delighted, angry, excited, annoyed. Okay, so this is your homework. This is your homework. Now turn the page, open page number 70. Page number 70. Grammar and uses. Grammar and uses. Read these sentences. This is Pilu, our turtle. isn't very big. Isn't means is not. Dear children, isn't means is not. Isn't is the short form of is not. Okay. We say isn't when we speak and is not when we write. We say isn't when we speak and we write, and is not when we write. Okay. Okay. A. Look at these pictures and complete these sentences with is and isn't. So dear children, as you can see, few pictures are there. So you have to look at this picture and complete these sentences, okay, with is and isn't. Number 1, Tara isn't a dancer. She is a singer. Okay. Number 2, Neela is in the garden. Neela is in the garden. She isn't, isn't means is not. Isn't watching television. Next, number 3, Akhil isn't, isn't, isn't with his friends. He is with his father. Akhil is not with his friends. He is with his father. Okay. Next, number 4, the cat isn't awake. isn't, isn't awake. It is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. Okay. Number 5, this is a swan. This is a swan. It isn't a duck. This is a swan. This is not. This is a swan. It is not a duck. Okay. Now dear children, open page number 71. Has, have. Read these sentences. Tina has a goldfish. Alok and Deepu have a turtle. The word has tells us that the goldfish belongs to Tina. The word have tells us that the turtle belongs to both Alok and Deepu. I, you, we, they, have. Dear children, always remember this. Have is used with I, you, we and they. I, you, we, they के साथ हम क्या लिखेंगे? Have. And has is always used with he, she, it. And has is used with he, she and it. He, she, it के साथ has लिखेंगे. Okay. Now let's complete the exercise. B. Choose the correct words from the brackets to complete these sentences. Okay. We have to choose the correct word from the brackets. Number 1. I have a toy car. 2. My toy car has lights. My toy car has lights. Number 3. Asha and Sanjay have a toy plane. Asha and Sanjay have a toy plane. Okay. Has, have. Number 4. They also have a toy auto rickshaw. They also have a toy auto rickshaw. Number 5. The auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. Okay. Now turn the page. Open page number 72. Words in use. Words in use. Animals' home. Match the animals in A with their homes in B. So dear children, match the animals with their homes, where they live. Okay, so first you have to write their names. Frog, Frog, frog. Then bird, Bird, bird. Next is bee, rat, and spider, spider. Okay, now match their homes. So number one, frog. Dear children, where frog live? Frog live in pond. So here write number one. Next, bird. Where bird live? In nest. So here write number two. Okay. Next, bee. Where bee live? Bee live in beehive. Here write number three. Okay. Now next, rat. Where rat live? In hole. Here write number 4. And last one is spider, in web. Here write number 5. Okay. Now turn the page. Open page number 73. B. Look at the pictures. Then complete these sentences with the correct action word from the clue box. Dear children, look at these pictures. Then complete these sentences with the help of clue box. Okay. So 1A, the cart. What this man is doing? He is pull the cart. So here pull, P U L L, pull the cart. Okay. Next, what she is doing? She is here write push, P U S H, push the box. Okay. Number 2A, what she is doing? She is catch the ball. So here write catch, CATCH, catch the ball. B, what he is doing? Throw the banana peel in the dustbin. So here write throw, THROW, throw. The clown makes me laugh. What clowns makes? Clowns makes us laugh. So here the clown makes me laugh. LAUGH, laugh. Okay. B, the story makes me cry. As you can see, his tears, the boy is crying. So here write cry, CRY, cry. Okay. Number 4A, open the box, OPEN, open the box. B, close the door. So here write close the gate, CLOSE, close the gate. Next, number 5A, sit on the chair, SIT, sit on the chair. B, stand, STAND, stand on the stool. Okay. Now dear children, turn the page, open page number 74. Writing. It is a hot day and Alok goes to the swimming pool with father. Number these sentences in the correct order. What happens? Then copy the sentences in the correct order in your notebook. Okay. So dear children, it is the hot day. So the first one is, it is a very hot day. Number 1, it is a very hot day. Father takes Alok to the swimming pool. This is number 2. So here write number 2. Okay. Next, he gets into the water. He has fun in the pool. Alok puts on his swimming shorts and cap. This is number 3. Here you write number 3. Alok puts on his swimming shorts and cap. The water is cool and lovely. So this is number 4. He gets into the water. Next, the water is cool and lovely. Number 5. And he has fun in the pool. This is number 6. Number 1 is it is a very hot day. Father takes Alok to the swimming pool. Alok puts on his swimming shorts and cap. This is number 3. Then he gets into the water and the water is cool and lovely. He has fun in the pool. Okay. So dear children, kindly complete these in your book. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.